Hello, it's Michael Sheen here. How are you all doing? The lockdown that we've all been going through can have a big impact on people's mental health. So the fantastic Joseph Herman Foundation has come up with an idea that everyone can take part in and that can make a bit of a difference. So they are launching the Arts on a Postcard campaign. Arts on a Postcard campaign, where they're asking for anyone, all artists, amateur artists, just creative people, to put a piece of original artwork on a postcard. It can be a drawing, a painting, a pen drawing, a poem, a photograph, a collage, a piece of creative writing. Sky's the limit. Let your creative juices flow. And all those artworks will be put on sale to raise money for the fantastic Mind charity, the mental health charity. So for all the other details, go to the Joseph Herman Foundation website. The link will be in the header of this tweet. I have done my own little version. That's me in lockdown. Getting hairier by the second. So there will be all those kinds of things there. The deadline is June the 21st. So get going. All right. Take care. Bye-bye.